Let set A equal to 1 comma 2 and set B equal to 3 comma 4. Okay, find the number of relations from capital A to capital B. Okay, two given set A and B are given. We have to find the possible number of relations from A to B. Okay, so first the given set A is A equal to 1 comma 2. Okay, so number of elements in A equal to P equal to 2. Here we have only two elements, 1 and 2. So number of elements in A is equal to P equal to 2. Okay, set B equal to 3 comma 4. So number of elements in set B is also 2. Okay, so 3 and 4 only. So we have two elements. Okay, so n of B equal to Q equal to 2. So n of A cross B is equal to P into 2. The formula for n of A cross B is equal to P into Q. The value of P is 2. The value of P is 2 and the value of Q is 2. Okay. So n of A cross B equal to P into 2. So which is equal to 2 into 2 which is equal to 4. So n of A cross B is equal to PQ equal to 4. Okay. So the number of relations from capital A to capital B equal to 2 power PQ which is equal to 2 power 4. Okay, since the value of PQ is 4. Okay, so let capital A equal to X, Y, Z. So now number of elements in capital A is equal to P equal to 4 and capital B. So n of B equal to Q equal to 1 comma 2. So we have two elements. Okay, sorry, n of A cross B equal to P equal to 3 elements. Okay, one X, Y, Z. So totally we have 3 elements and n of B equal to Q equal to 2 elements. Find the number of relations from A to B. So n of A equal to X, A equal to set A equal to X, Y, Z. So n of A equal to P equal to 3. Okay, set B equal to 1 comma 2. So n of B equal to Q equal to 2. Okay, so set A equal to we have 3 elements. So n of A equal to P. Set B we have 2 elements which are 1 comma 2. So n of B equal to Q equal to 2. Okay, so n of A cross B is equal to P into Q. The value of P is 3. The value of P is 3. The value of Q is 2. Okay, so n of A cross B equal to PQ which is equal to 3 into 2 which is equal to 6. So 2 power. So the number of relations from A to B is, the formula is 2 power PQ. Here PQ is equal to 6. So the number of relations from A to B is 2 power 6.